I know you are tired of trying to get selected for H-1B visa. And I have a solution for you, because otherwise you're going to be participating and losing your dreams. And the answer to the H-1B losing lottery is O-1 visa. Today we're going to discuss this, and also you will learn how to get a free evaluation for your O-1 case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends, I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today we're going to cover the topic of O-1 visa and why this is the best alternative to H-1B and other visas to come to the US and start your own business. What is O-1 visa? This is a talent visa, which sounds more complicated than that is. An O-1 visa allows you to come and work in the US for at least 3 years and bring your family. Who qualifies for this type of visa? Well, pretty much everyone. If you are in business, in tech, in IT, cybersecurity, if you're an engineer, if you're a teacher, athlete, if you're from art industry, everybody may get approval for this type of visa. All you need is to satisfy 3 criteria out of the 8 for O-1A and 3 criteria out of the 6 for the purpose of O-1B. Now, let's focus more on O-1A visa, because that encompasses almost 90% of all professions that were listed. So we have 8 criteria, and they are awards, judging the work of other professionals, press articles about you, academic publications that you drafted, contribution in the industry, the professional association, critical leading role in a company with distinguished reputation, and significantly higher salary. So those 8 criteria are the measure of O-1 visa, and we need to satisfy only 3 of them. So let's compare in short O-1 visa versus H-1B visa versus green card. And of course, each one of them has advantages and disadvantages. And of course, green card is a green card. But O-1 does not have any annual cap. So it's not like H-1B, where you have to not only be selected for the lottery, but also fit within the cap. Second, no lottery. If you've satisfied the criteria that we mentioned, at least 3 of them, you will be in. Further, if you do not have an employer, and O-1 requires an employer, you can become an employer to yourself. So O-1 is, of course, as the best alternative for H-1B visa. And as to the green card, the O-1 is the stepping stone for the next move to EB-1A, the talent visa that gives you the green card. H-1B visa does not have the second step, just like O-1 has EB-1A. The most popular way for H-1B to proceed to the green card is to get the labor certification for EB-2 or EB-3, which are very lengthy processes, and you have to rely on someone else. Now, what is the common misconception as to the O-1 visa? Guys, hands down, the main misconception is that you think that you have to be Einstein to get approved for this visa. Of course, if you're Einstein, you'll be good. You probably need to apply for EB-1A. But 90 to 95% of my clients for O-1 visa, and we have hundreds upon hundreds approval in this type of petition, are just good professionals in their fields. And remember, it's all about the criteria, not about the titles and what type of intergalactical recognition you might think you should have for this. What can you do right now to start preparing for your visa? Well, first of all, start being more active in the industry. Go to the conferences, try to speak at the events, see if you can publish your expert letters, your expert opinions in different publications, if you can get press talking about you, if you can come up with better solutions for the product or for the service that you use, all those things will be counted in the future. Let me guys give you an example of the recent approval for O-1 visa that my client is a businessman in a tech industry, and he's the one who does the startups, he's invests in startups, he does the processes in the startups, and he lives in Dubai, and he wanted to expand to the US because yes, Dubai is good, but there is certain limitation that can stop you from growing really fast, and the market is not that deep. So he came to us. We prepared the strategy for his case to satisfy 5 criteria, and he already had 2, the critical role and the significantly higher salary. Will help him with the judging the work of others, with professional publications and the press articles. So with those 5 criteria and his company that he owned 100% that became his employer, we were able to secure an approval for him. And now he's traveling between US and Dubai and other countries in the world, building the startups, talking to big people, with the angel investors, venture capital people in the US. And just today he had a complex immigration planning to have a step up to the next level of EB-1A visa, which is gonna give him a green card to him and his family. Now, what is the next step for you to see if you can become like this client I just described? All starts with one small step. That is a free evaluation of your case. The link is below this video. Go and click on it. Fill out the questionnaire that I prepared for you and give me 2 days, up to 2 days, to analyze it and give you my conclusion in writing. You will see the type of visa, how many criteria we satisfy, and most importantly, if you have the potential in the case to improve it, pack it up and file within the next 6 months of working with the team and get you up to 99% chance of approval for your O-1 visa. So fill out the free evaluation form right now to know the chances and potential in your case. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section your questions and your concerns. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet. I also have Telegram, Instagram, X, Facebook, and other social media platforms. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.